Damusasa is a healthcare tech startup currently working with hospitals and different partners and also members of the public to ensure that patients, especially mothers and children, have safe blood for transfusion in a timely manner. It's important for people to donate blood because, for example, we have 3 out of every 5 mothers in Kenya who are at the risk of death during childbirth or delivery as a result of postpartum hemorrhage. So by donating blood, you at least ensure that these mothers have a chance to life because of the safe blood products that they will get for transfusion. Further, as per the World Health Organization, each country needs about 1% of its population in terms of blood products or blood units. Therefore, by donating blood, you help the country and the patients in that country get the safe blood for transfusion that they need. In Kenya, that translates to about 500,000 to 1 million units. People who are aged 16 to 65 years of age are eligible to donate blood. Also, people who are eligible to donate blood include both men and women, so it's not gender specific. And you have to be healthy, and that means that you do not have any history of terminal illness before you can donate blood. One of the tests performed on a patient's blood is, for example, a HIV test, VDRL test, which is usually a test for particularly STIs, various forms of STIs. So the purposes of doing those tests is to ensure or guarantee that the blood that is going to be transfused to patients is actually safe blood and that will not cause them any undue harm once they receive it via transfusion. There are benefits to the body when you donate blood, and one of those is that you feel good about yourself and knowing that that 1 pint that you've freely donated will actually help or has the potential to save up to 3 lives. Plus, it's also an opportunity when you go to donate blood to actually get your health checked because of the screening process. You get your blood pressure checked. Some people don't know their blood groups. At that point in time is when they get to know their blood groups. There are various myths and misconceptions around blood donation. One of those myths include that if I donate blood, I will die, or if I donate blood, I will have passed over my inheritance to whoever will receive that blood. And part of the work we do at Damusasa, working of course with different partners, is to allay fears around blood donation, debunk the myths and misconceptions surrounding blood donation in a bid to ensure that we boost the blood donation culture in Kenya favorably. The biggest appeal I would have, especially to members of the youth, is to reach out to them, let them know that the patients that are in the hospitals could be their mothers, could be their sisters, could be their brothers. Those patients need them. Those patients need them to actually come out and donate blood, and not just once or twice, but in a more regular manner, to ensure that even as a country, we get to a target of about 500,000 to 1 million units every year.